Having proper ventilation in your bathroom is essential for maintaining a pleasant and moisture-free environment. Bathroom exhaust fans are specifically designed to remove humidity from the air, thus preventing issues like mold and unpleasant odors, while allowing you to enjoy a fresh and clean space. So, in today's video, we'll show you the 7 best bathroom exhaust fans available on the market and help you decide which one suits your needs the best. If you're interested in seeing the current prices of each of these exhaust fans, or if you wish to purchase one, I'll leave the links in the video description and the first comment so you can check them out whenever you like. We begin with the NALLE 500 CFM bathroom exhaust fan, a durable and efficient option designed with high-quality metal materials that ensure resistance to corrosion and scratches. This fan effectively prevents the entry of foreign objects, making it a reliable choice for areas prone to moisture. It is built to endure high humidity and temperature environments, ensuring stable operation and a longer lifespan compared to other fans on the market. Equipped with a brushless motor featuring an outer rotor and dual ball bearings, this exhaust fan significantly reduces friction, effectively saving energy while maintaining a low noise level. This technology guarantees consistent and quiet performance, making it perfect for spaces that require continuous ventilation without disruptive sounds. Installation is straightforward, as it can be mounted on either walls or ceilings. For added stability, it is advisable to secure it with adhesive or screws. Its removable design allows for easy motor detachment by simply unscrewing the 4 corner screws, facilitating regular cleaning and ensuring the unit's durability over time. The NALLE 500 CFM fan is a versatile and powerful choice, ideal for use in workshops, basements, warehouses, apartments, and particularly in kitchens and bathrooms where efficient ventilation is crucial for removing odors and maintaining a fresh, healthy environment. Next, we have the BROAN-NUTONE bathroom exhaust fan, a device known for its powerful ventilation and optimized design. This ENERGY STAR certified fan operates at 110 CFM, making it ideal for efficiently ventilating spaces of about 105 square feet. Its motor is designed for continuous operation, ensuring a fresh environment without moisture buildup. One of its standout features is the customizable lighting, offering 4 selectable LED light settings that range from a warm 3000 Kelvin to a brighter 5000 Kelvin. With a simple press of a switch, users can adjust the lighting to their preference, and the fan automatically remembers the last setting used, providing convenience and saving time. The fan also operates at an ultra-quiet level, with a sound rating of 1.0 sones, making it nearly imperceptible to the ear. Additionally, it features TrueSeal damper technology, which reduces air leakage by up to 50%, enhancing efficiency and eliminating those annoying cold drafts. Regarding its design, the grille is not only modern but also easy to maintain, as it has fewer slits to prevent dust accumulation. Installing this fan is straightforward due to its compact size, allowing for easy placement from the side of the room without needing access to the ceiling. Remember that all purchase links with the most up-to-date prices are available in the video's description and in the first comment. On the other hand, we present the NALLE HQS 300 bathroom exhaust fan, a versatile model known for its powerful performance and easy installation. With a fan speed of 110 CFM, it effectively maintains air quality in rooms up to approximately 105 square feet, making it perfect for bathrooms and other areas in the home. Its noise level is impressively low, rated at just 1.2 sones, ensuring a quiet and relaxing environment. This model features a 4-inch diameter duct and a compact housing that fits easily between ceiling joists, allowing for quick and straightforward installation. Its torsion spring grille design makes mounting a breeze without any tools, eliminating the hassle of accessing the attic for setup. The efficient ventilation system quickly removes condensation from mirrors, keeping views clear and ensuring a comfortable space. Additionally, its removable polymer duct with a rear damper helps reduce drafts and minimizes air leaks by up to 50%, enhancing home performance and saving energy. This fan is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a powerful, quiet, and easy-to-install solution that keeps air quality and comfort in any bathroom or room throughout the house. We continue this list with the Tech Drive exhaust fan, a model that stands out due to its ultra-quiet operation of just 1.5 sones and a powerful capacity of 80 CFM, making it suitable for ventilating bathrooms up to 85 square feet. This feature makes it the perfect choice for keeping the space free from moisture and odors without any annoying noise. Installation of this bathroom fan is a breeze, as it doesn't require access to the attic or any additional cuts in the housing. It can be completely mounted from the ceiling of the room, easily replacing most standard bathroom fans without hassle. Just ensure the ceiling has enough depth, as the housing measures 6 inches high. The housing dimensions are 7.5 by 6 inches, featuring a 4-inch duct and a ceiling mount opening of 7.6 by 7.3 inches. The high-efficiency motor ensures long-lasting performance, offering at least 25,000 hours of continuous operation. Coupled with its Energy Star certification, it guarantees low energy consumption and great reliability. This fan is ideal for medium-sized bathrooms due to its quiet operation, easy installation, and high-quality standards, making it suitable for use above a bathtub or shower when installed on a branch circuit protected by GFCI. Next on the list is the Powering exhaust fan, a model that stands out for its quiet operation of just 0.7 sones and an impressive airflow capacity of 141 CFM, making it an excellent choice for spaces up to 141 square feet. Its efficient design ensures a peaceful environment free from bothersome noises, making it perfect for any home. Installation is straightforward, with dimensions of 11.8 inches and a mounting hole size of 10.8 inches. It also features a 4-inch duct diameter, which simplifies connections and ensures optimal ventilation. This fan comes with 3 wires for operation: brown for L connection, blue for in, and yellow for ground. Another advantage is its energy efficiency, as it is designed to consume less power than traditional exhaust fans, helping to lower electricity bills. This model also meets international quality standards, ensuring a long lifespan and reliable operation. It's a safe, efficient, and durable option thanks to its built-in thermal protection, which automatically turns off the device if it reaches high temperatures. This feature helps prevent potential damage and reduces the risk of fires. If you're enjoying the video, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest content. Continuing, we have the BROAN-NUTONE exhaust fan, a high-quality, Energy Star certified fan that operates at a remarkably quiet 1.0 sones while delivering a strong airflow of 110 CFM, making it perfect for bathrooms up to 105 square feet. With its efficient ventilation, this fan quickly clears up foggy mirrors, ensuring a clear view and a comfortable atmosphere at all times. Installing this model is straightforward, whether you're replacing an old fan or doing a new installation. The entire process can be done from inside the room, eliminating the need for attic access. Plus, the installation guide is available online, right above the product reviews, making things even easier. This exhaust fan stands out for its reliable performance thanks to the True Seal damper technology, which reduces air leaks by 50% compared to other models on the market. This feature enhances home efficiency by minimizing cold and hot drafts. It's also an excellent choice for installation above bathtubs and showers, as long as it's connected to a GFCI circuit. This way, it effectively captures steam before it spreads throughout the bathroom, providing optimal moisture control and ensuring a healthy environment. Finally, we present the KAZE Appliance S&P 100 exhaust fan, a model that excels in powerful performance and operates with ultra-quiet efficiency. With a capacity of 100 CFM and a noise level of just 0.8 sones, it's perfect for maintaining air quality in bathrooms of up to approximately 100 square feet, creating a moisture-free environment without any annoying noise. This fan features a removable 4-inch diameter polymer duct, which includes a backdraft damper to prevent drafts. Its design effectively stops unwanted air leakage, contributing to better energy efficiency and helping to keep the room at a comfortable temperature. One of the strong points of this model is its easy installation, which doesn't require attic access. Simply attach the fan to the ceiling opening and follow the manual's instructions for a quick and secure setup. This means you won't have to worry about any additional complications during the installation process. It's the perfect choice if you're looking for a quiet fan with high performance that's easy to install, ensuring a comfortable, moisture-free environment in any bathroom of your home. Well, that's all for now. Let us know if we helped you find the perfect bathroom exhaust fan, or tell us which other fans we should include in the next top list. Please give us a like and subscribe for more videos from us. Remember, if you want more information and updated prices for each mentioned product, be sure to check the links in the video description and the first comment. Thank you for your time, and we'll see you next time.